Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Rupani, founder of this great institution, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, recipient, of course, of all my colleagues, awardees, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. This is a great honor, of course, for Larsen & Toubro. I always say the CEO and the company are two sides of the same coin. So whenever the CEO gets recognition, it's really the recognition to the institution. Just to inform you, L&T is a unique organization. It's neither public, which means government organization, nor private, where there is any shareholder who is dominant. We have 30% ownership of the government financial institution and 800,000 people of India. So our Prime Minister and all the others in the government have always echoed that L&T belongs to one sector, and the only one that should belong to that is the national sector. To that extent, L&T belongs to the nation and to the people of India. It has always aligned its interests for more than 7 decades with the growth of the country. It has more than 50,000 people directly, but more than 175,000 people more working as various construction sites. And with 800,000 shareholders and multitude of other associates, L&T has a direct or indirect employment of more than 400,000 people and touches the life of more than 1.2 million people of India. Through all our development projects and all our factories and project sites, we have always believed not only working in those places, but through inclusive growth. We have our ladies club all over India who are engaged in very constructive activities. We have a social commitment and the special departments which only do that. Though we have to give economic results, obviously for all the benefit of the shareholders, we have never sacrificed the long-term growth of the company in a sustainable manner, committing to the most eco-friendly environment in which we work. All our buildings are gold or platinum green with zero discharge. Even in Mumbai, we have more than 100,000 people who have taken benefit of our welfare center for medical treatment. We manage many gardens all over India wherever we work, and therefore are deeply committed to sustainable company and honorable nation. The country is as powerful as not just the economy, not just the 8.5% growth, but also how powerful it is in its self-reliance in all the sensitive sectors, be it a nuclear or space or defense. And I'm very proud that L&T has been associated, Dr. Anil Kokodkar knows that, for more than 45 years in building India's nuclear reactors, more than 30 years in India's space program, and the last, India's first nuclear submarine. This keeps us going. We are very, very passionate. We are deeply committed. We talk about innovation and recreation and building of future powerful India through imagination, but convert that into actions and reality. And that's why our tagline is, it's all about Imagineering. Our company lives by a spirit. All our employees have a commitment to see very strong and powerful India. Therefore, we have an anthem. The meaning of that is, जिसकी मिट्टी से जन्म लिया तुमने, कर्ज जो चुकाना है तुम्हें उनका. This is the spirit of L&T, and this is really what we start with in all our important meetings, and of course end with the national anthem. We are in all the sectors of Indian economy, as you know, and it is this commitment that represents the pulse of our commitment and the spirit of L&T. Therefore, this recognition, I take it as to the people of India, because they own us, and also to all our employees whose innovation, creativity, passion, dedication that makes this great institution. I want to also lastly, before concluding, tell you, lots of people talk about sustainability. But Larsen & Toubro is the only company in the whole of Asia which is selected for its sustainability commitment through this report. So, and all the such recognition, whether it is building in the world record of T3 terminal of Delhi, where we have beaten the world record by 16 months. By the way, we took only one job to complete before Commonwealth Games, and that was to build the Delhi airport. And we gave it 3 months ahead of schedule. Of course, we are building the new Mumbai airport and all the rest of the airport you see in the country. And we have many such first ones, and the most, I would say, reputed projects constructed, be it the India's world's first pipelines, continuously heated through Kane Energy, and the list can go on and on and on. So all I can say is thank you very much. Your great work will further inspire us, and your recognition of this award we accept with great humility and dedication to build a powerful India. Thank you.